Sige, proceed na po yung bisita.
Good afternoon po. Welcome sa Quezon.
Ma'am, sumunod na tayo.
Diretso po tayo sa upuan. Second row, third row, mga guests. Nasa first
Not
row
come here.
ang parents. Parents po ng bride sa kanan, parents po ng groom sa kanan.
Sige po, proceed po.
Sige po, sit down po tayong
May
lahat.
parents na kasama.
Meron ako.
Nasaan po ang parents ng bride?
Asa po parents niyo?
Pwede ko
Si mami lang po.
Si ma'am.
Sit down po.
Sit down po dyan, ma'am. Diyan po kayo sa... Oh, wait, ano? Be careful lang po. No?
Sige ma'am, sit down po. Wedding ring din po.
Wedding ring or wedding vows? Meron po ba, ma'am? Wedding vows at saka wedding
Meron po. Ano, yung wedding ring may nasa bag ko.
Ayun,
Basta
sige,
yung ako
sir,
nasa
lock
bag
up
ko
po.
rin.
Kakausapin kita mamaya. Ha?
Wedding ring.
Yan yung wedding vows.
Ouch.
Yes, yes. No?
Tama po, ma'am. Ma'am Jonalyn
Yes.
Pakulda.
Mami ni
Pakulda.
Yes, papunta.
Maniya.
Ito po yung tatay mo sa logo po ng Christian. Sige po, pagkatapos na ayos yan.
Thank you.
Waiting po yung instruction ni Sir Lucas. Oh my God. About sa paglakad. Sir, how do I pronounce your name?
All good.
All.
All good.
Sa Paul, sabihan ka
All
tapos
good.
lalakad ka ng all good.
All good.
Dahan-dahan lang po. Sir, come with this, sir. Please. Smile lang po tayo. You will stand here, sir. And wait for Ma'am Jonalyn. On the chorus of the song, she will walk. And when Winnie is here, you will... Sa chorus.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So let's if I love you, will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful in white. This is my very last breath. This day I'll share.
Good afternoon to everyone. Good afternoon po sa ating mga guests, visitors, sa ating po mga ninong-ninang, witnesses, and also to our parents na narito po. And Ma'am Jonalyn, good afternoon sir, good afternoon ma'am. We are gathered here today to witness the joining of two hearts. In church wedding, the meaning of marriage is still death do us part, but in civil wedding, permanent union of husband and wife. And because we are under the traditional civil wedding, sir, you will pledge your oath to the law of the Republic of the Philippines under the family code. Sir Olgo and Ma'am Jonalyn, please stand up. Sir, now, just face forward to our witnesses. Sir Olgo, please place your right hand to your left chest and face to our witnesses. Sir Olgo, Do you accept Ma'am Jonalyn to be your lawful wife and do solemnly promise before God and these witnesses?
Yes, I do.
Okay, thank you, sir. Lower your hand. Thank you, sir. Ma'am Jonalyn, the same. Ma'am, do you accept Sir Olgu to be your lawful husband and do solemnly promise before God and these witnesses?
Yes, I do.
Thank you, ma'am. Lower your hand. Please hold the flower like this and face to each other. Sir, hold both hands of Ma'am Jonalyn. Sir Olgo, what is your vow, reason, promise why you want to marry Ma'am Jonalyn this day and for the rest of your life? And you can read your copy and say or tell all your promises to Ma'am Jonalyn. Thank you. Sir, you may.
Well, after a long time, long distances, it is a celebration day of our dedicated, hard-earned, well-deserved togetherness. The day we met, the day after, I still remember every detail. I remember you do too also. I remember that I felt like she is someone who I've been knowing for a long time. She is someone I wish I could have known her earlier. It was just the first, one of the earliest, and also one of the most important decisions of our lives. That I told you that's something we both remember. It was early to say, but I knew that you are the one.
In 2 days.
Yes. I know that you will always be the one and only, although I have questioned myself afterwards whether doing or saying something true would be harmful or not, because it was too early. But it was a risk to take, and I did, and it worked. Because we both took risks, which were unusual attempts, being bold and direct, are always my ways. To decide, because as you know that it removes all the clouds and we can see the bright blue sky, and it shines that time. I needed to see this, it shines, and also I saw all the flowers blossomed, birds started to chirp happily. I came from a country where the summer is just 3 months long, and also in all the other months the sky is full of clouds. That's why sunny sky is always a source of happiness in where I live. As much as making it to be started, making it last is also so important. It was a challenge for us, but I was happy for every moment. Even if we have talked for hours, we have always wanted more. We have not realized how quick the time was. Even if there is a time difference, which is 5 hours, you gave everything that you have. You have given everything that you have, and you stayed up late for hours to talk to me for hours. And you have not complained about it. Also, you are a person who I want to talk, who I can talk, who I can listen, who I can talk about everything, and I can listen about everything. And as you know that literally everything, and you know that how much it means to me. I remember that I was the one who used to talk more, but the day you started to open your heart, I was just smiling and listening to you, and you just realized how long you talked. It was 3 hours. And you trusted me, you chose us, it's you, it's me, it's us. Our story is reaching another level today, the day we've been waiting for a long time, to declare that we will always be together, no matter what, to declare that hardships did not affect us, but will make us even stronger, and it will make us even more together. And it will always make us realize that how beautiful our bond is, and it will always be mahal na mahal kita, mahal ko. Magmahal. Habang buyan tayo, magkakaliman ka.
Habang buhay tayo, magpakailan tayo.
Palakpakan po natin, sir.
Na-pressure ang mahaba. Para yung akin, simple-simple na. Okay po.
Okay, Ma'am Jonalyn, the same. You're about to serve all good. Sige po, ma'am. Basahin niyo rin po sa kanya at sabihin niyo rin po lahat ang inyong mga pangako. Sige po.
Most people, when they start a conversation, especially for the first time, would usually say the normal things like hello, introduce themselves, ask how are you doing, or maybe exchange personal information, just like answering a slam book. But with you, it was never normal. I never found, hi, I'm looking for a serious relationship, to be a usual way to start a conversation. I mean, who would message someone for the first time with that kind of statement? It's not normal. It's unique. It's interesting. Unique enough to catch my attention. Interesting enough for me to reply. Who would have known that message would lead us here today? No one. But you did in 2 days. When you told me after just 2 days that I was the one, I didn't believe you. I thought it was just another relationship rush. That kind where everything feels exciting, full of kilig, where you can't wait to talk or spend time together. But you were different. You were consistent from day one. You checked on me every day, called me every single day, supported me in everything I wanted to. And the way you look at me, which you just noticed yesterday, with worry, care, and love. The way you complimented me even when I felt I was at my ugliest.
You are not.
The way you somehow knew when something was wrong, even before I told you.
Sure, it's okay.
And the way you comforted me during tough times. Mahal, I've always been an independent woman, and I grew up supporting myself. Learning to be strong, but because I had no choice. But when you came, you made me feel that this time, I can be weak.
Okay.
That I can be like a baby who can be dependent to you. That I don't always have to carry everything on my own because you will carry it with me. You showed me that I can rest, finally. That I don't have to worry about tomorrow because we are in this together. I appreciate you so much, and I appreciate all your sacrifices in this relationship. And you mean everything to me. So today, I make these promises to you. I promise to always believe in you, to respect you, and trust you with all my heart. And I promise to cook for you and never let you skip meals again. Even if I only know how to cook rice. And you don't even eat that much of it. I promise to become a better version of myself every day for you, for us, and for our family. I will always choose you, and I can't wait to grow old with you, mahal ko. Seni çok seviyorum aşkım.
Seni çok seviyorum.
Please go ahead. Yes. Sir, Mom, continue to holding hands to each other and face to each other with the bouquet. With the bouquet. Sige po, Ma'am, punasan niyo muna.
Dapat nandito pa rin ako sa picture.
Ma'am, pakilagay muna po dito yung tissue, yan, para hindi po makita sa camera. Sir, face to each other.
Okay.
And hold to each other. Sir Olgu, look at her and repeat after me.
Alright.
I, your name, sir,
All good.
accept you,
Accept you.
her name,
Journaling
to be my wife,
to be my wife.
and I promise
And I promise.
and commit covenant
And I commit
before God
before God
and these witnesses
and these witnesses
that I will become
I will become
your lovable
your lovable
and faithful husband
and your faithful husband
in abundance,
in abundance,
in needs,
in needs,
in strength,
in strength,
in sorrow,
in sorrow,
in sickness,
in sickness,
and in health, till death do us part.
till death
Do us part.
do us part.
Ma'am Jonalyn, the same. Look at him and repeat after me. I,
I,
your name, ma'am,
Journaling,
accept you,
accept you,
his name,
Olgu Akbera,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
and I promise
and to promise,
and commit covenant
and commit covenant
before God
before God,
and these witnesses
and these witnesses,
that I will become
that I will become
your lovable wife,
your lovable wife,
faithful one,
faithful wife,
in abundance,
in abundance,
in needs, in strength,
in strength,
in sorrow,
in sorrow,
in sickness,
in sickness,
and in health,
and in death,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Palakpakan po natin sila. Ma'am, sir, may borrow the paper. Thank you, ma'am. For a moment lang po naman. And sir, okay. Please get the ring for Ma'am
Okay.
Jonaline and place it to her left hand. Left hand, yes. Just hop on this, sir. Hop on this. Look at her and say her name. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
and also my heart.
and also my heart.
This is the symbol
This is the symbol
of my endless love.
of my endless love.
Put on the ring, sir. Okay, thank you so much. And Ma'am Jonaline, the same. To the left hand also of Sir Ogu. Just up only, ma'am. Look at him and say his name. Say his name.
Algo,
I give you this ring
I'll give you this ring
and also my heart.
and also my heart.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
you shall not walk alone.
you shall not walk alone.
My heart will be your shelter
My heart will be your shelter,
and my arms will be your robe.
and my arms will be your wings.
Put on the ring, ma'am. Kasha yan. Sa puto lang yan. In the bones. Sorry. But yes, yes. You can. Ah,
You can do it.
I did before I did.
para mauna. Okay, palakpakan po natin. Please clap our hands. Ma'am Jonaline, Sir Osgood, please face forward to our witnesses. Sir, Ma'am, dito na po muna kayo. Ayan. Sir, Ma'am, this is the message for both of you, sir. A good marriage must be created. In marriage, the little things are the big things in marriage. And also in marriage, it's not only finding the right person, but it is finding the right partner. So, Sir Olgu and Ma'am Jonaline, always love to each other, and always respect each other, and always trust to each other. Because love is patient, love is kind, and love is pure. So always love to each other until the last breath of your life. For both of you.
You will.
Congratulations to both of you, sir. Ma'am, palakpakan po natin sila. Salamat. Thank you so much. Sir, ma'am, just face to each other again. And with the bouquet, kasama po yung bouquet, ma'am. And hold to each other and look to each other. Sir Olgu and Ma'am Jonaline, this is the final declaration. Republic of the Philippines, Office of the Civil Register General, Certificate of Merit, and this is it. As the solemnizing officer, now by the power and authority vested upon me, according to the law of the Republic of the Philippines, and looking unto heaven for the divine sanction. Now, Sir Olgu and Ma'am Jonaline, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Sir Olgu, you may now kiss your bride. 3 seconds, sir. Hold the keys for the documentation only. Yes, sir. Sir Olgu, you may now kiss your bride. 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations, sir, ma'am. Congratulations. Please sit down because we are not finished yet. We will now signing this document. Pirma lang po sa pagkadalaga. Dito po sa guhit na pula. Kasi nakasulat na pula ang ating mga pangalan. So pirma na ito. Sige po. Signature only. 4 na 4 copies is this. Pirma po. This is for PSA copy. And this one is for civil register copy. Another one. And this one is your personal copy, sir, ma'am. And this is our copy. Ma'am, pirma po. Signature only. And then, write your complete name here. Your name, middle initial, then your surname. This is a request for the celebration of marriage in case authorized, authorized by the law. Another one, last one. Signature again, and then write your complete name. Joint affidavit. What is this, sir, ma'am? You must double check your document. Your name must be,
Horacio.
yeah,
Yeah.
your name must be right in spelling. Your birthday, age, the name of your parents, middle name, surname must be correct in spelling also. And if you see a correction in your documents, you must tell to Ma'am Chris in charge immediately. And after this ceremony, before you leave this room, that's the time you must double check your documents. Sir, ma'am, please double check your documents carefully. The details and the information written here must be based on your birth certificate. So you don't have any problem in the future about your document. Okay? Thank you so much, sir. Please sign here. Signature. Kaya ako pong bukla para sa documentation nila, sir. Ang ating mga ano yan. Sige, another one, sir. Another one. For copy, yeah, for copy. Signature also. Again, next page. There are two more to go. Signature here, sir, and write your name. Complete name here. Yeah, signature. And then your name here, sir. Name, middle initial, surname. Pero alam ko wala silang middle initial.
Wala po sila.
Ganyan talaga pag mga foreign wala sila. Another one, sir. Last one. Yes. Signature. And then you write your complete name here. Thank you so much. Our principal sponsor, Ninong Ninang, witnesses. Sino po unang pipirma? Bawal po ang kapatid, bawal din po ang parents or immediate family ng groom and bride kasi po mga kasabwat po yan. So ang kailangan po hindi kasabwat. Pwede po mga, dalawa, pwede po, yun po ang minimum na po. Pwede po mga kamag-anak, tito, tita, pinsan, yan. Pwede rin po yung mga kaibigan, ka-classmate, katrabaho, kapitbahay, yan. Pwede po sila. Sige po, sino po unang pipirma? Yung matapang na pipirma. Yes, Nina. Sit down po. Yes.
Sorry.
Mula po dito ma'am, hanggang dito po. No? Pakisulat po yung pangalan, middle initial, apelyido. Tapos pirma po sa ibabaw ng pangalan. Tapos huwag po kayo lalagpas sa guhit. Yan. Kasi may rules po tayo. Pag lumagpas po kayo sa guhit, madodoble po ang inyong regalo sa mag-asawa. Apat po yan ma'am, para hindi rin po kayo makatakas sa mag-asawa. Another one, 4 copies. Thank you so much. Next po. Susunod na paper mo, Nina. Kahit po dalawa. Para may submit na po natin to sa civil rights. Pwede po mga kaibigan. Pinsan, pwede po kapitbahay. Sige na.
Ako pang nagpalaki sa mga.
Wala po rito. Hanggang dito. Yes po. Pangalan, middle initial, apelyido. Tapos pirma po sa iba. Nakita po nga namin. Sumobra ang laki ni sir. Kaya sa pagpapalaki. Thank you so much. Meron pa po ba? Okay. Meron pa po ba? Meron pa po ba? Ipirma? Ayun, si Nina. Wala po dito ma'am, hanggang dito po. Pakisulat po yung pangalan dito po. Sa iba po.
Hindi ko pa rin. Walang ninong. Walang ninong.
Thank you so much. Meron po. Nina? Yes. Sit down po. Wala po ito ma'am, hanggang dito.
Meron na pala ako bago.
Pangalan, middle initial, apelyido. Tapos pirma po sa iba.
Ilangan ka dito. Lulukuhin ko tayo sa Umalis ako kay Jero. Hindi pa naman siya.
Puro ninang walang ninong. Oo nga. Ito na. Perma ka. Pwede po.
Fitness lang. Okay lang.
Hindi. Puro ninang eh. Walang
No
ninong.
problem. Kahit nga puro ninong, pwede rin po. Pwede rin po mix ninong, ninang. Pwede. Wala pong problema. Basta gusto nila maging ninong at ninang. Yan.
So witness here.
Thank you so much.
Oh.
Meron pa po ba? Sir?
Ayan na.
Ayan sir.
Ah, no, si Sir. Ninong.
Driver lang naging ninong.
Sit down po.
Si
Wala po dito, sir. Hanggang dito po. Yan.
Ito po ay
Pakisulat po yung pangalan, middle initial, apelyido, tapos pirma po. Tapos po kay nanay.
Ben, ikaw gusto kayo pa rin. Naantay ko talaga niyo.
both po.
Tapos pirma po sa iba.
Ano yan? Long na.
Long na.
Sabi nga nila dito nung nang
Oh, ebidensya rin.
Para ako nagdulong nito.
Kabisado ang doon na.
Apat pa.
Kabisado doon ata.
All once in
Hindi, inaanak ko na si John.
Yes po. Thank you so much. Tsaka si Sir Olgo. Kailangan. Okay, sige.
Long na.
Long na.
Sit down po. Yan. Okay. Mula po dito. Hanggang dito.
Pangalan.
Pakisulat po yung pangalan, middle initial, apelyido, tapos pirma po sa iba. Ng pangalan.
Wala pa dito.
Signature on the top of it, of your name. Yan. Thank you so much. Next. Okay, sure, mom. Just relax to your seat, and then I will sign your documents now. When I'm signing, sir, just look at me while I'm signing for documentation purposes. Sir, all good. Journaling, this will be your new document. All the video, picture, you must keep it and take good care of it as a proof of evidence that you're truly married this day, November 7, 2025. And you can use also this certificate of marriage when you bring Ma'am Journaling to your country. And also the picture as a proof of evidence also that you are truly married in this country, the Philippines. Congratulations. Sir, Ma'am, please stand up. Sir, Ma'am, please stand up again so we can have a picture together. Just hold to each other's waist. Waist. Sabay Ma'am. Yeah. Sir, hold the flower also. And just a little bit to the right. Okay? That's enough, sir. So we can have a picture together. Smile.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more.
Nakalakas na ito.
Smile.
Okay, show the wedding ring, sir. Ma'am. Ma'am, baba ng konti flower. Tapos, just like this, sir. Join together. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. One more. Ito pa po. Close up lang po.
Okay, another one. Last one, sir. To the plug, sir. Ma'am. We have a picture together. Picture together, yeah. Just hold to each other's waist again. Sir, Ma'am. Sir, hold the flower. And
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yun na po.
okay, show the wedding again. The wedding ring. The wedding ring. Yes. Baba ng konti mo yung flower. Tapos konti mo. Okay, thank you so much. And marami pong salamat sa lahat ng picture taking na po. So you can go back again to your seat, sir, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Salamat po.
Yeah, salamat po. Thank you so much. Picture taking na po, sir. 5 minutes, sir. 5 minutes. Thank you so much po.
Mami, wag iyak, mami. May...
Umiyak ka, mami. Umiyak din ako.
Papasalan tayo, mami.
Pinagdala namin. Nag-ano kami.
Yes.
Like in Korea.
Hindi po. 1, 2, 3. Tingin na. Closer po. Hindi po. Closer po.
Naantong ka din.
Hindi po kayo ngayon.
Rich eh.
Kiss po, please.
Ayun.
Mas matagal. Longer.
For the picture, eh?
Longer. 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Very honest.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Next.
Puso ka naman. Parent mo na. Parent and family. Family. Picture now. Mother, minsan lang tumakas.
Mami.
Wait.
Pinalabi ko na yun.
O baka hindi mo payagan.
Pwede kayong mag-stay doon. May accommodation na. Pwede kayo.
Pero ngayon, maganda muna. Maganda muna.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more.
Kasama si Kapatid.
Ayun po.
Si Sister
Sige ba yung mga kapatid?
Iiyak po, tama. We're crying, we're very emotional.
I saw.
Yeah. Hindi ko na maitagyo yung talo.
Sige po. 1, 2, 3. One more. Waki po. Waki po, para masaya.
Ay, Waki daw is Waki. Waki.
Sige, Waki. 1, 2, 3.
Waki.
Sige po.
Marcos yun, Marcos.
Sige, jump shot.
Best friend.
Sa left ako ah. Tatabi mo pa ako sa matangkad.
Sa kabila.
Dito ka na.
Hawakan niyo na lang. Hawakan niyo na lang po.
Ayaw niya dito kasi matangkad daw masyado.
1, 2, 3. One more. Smile po. Sige po. Pwede yung isa lipat sa kabila.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh, ayaw nyo. Ayaw tumaki. Yes.
Tapos yung kayo po ma'am, yung couple po, mag-kiss po.
Ano ba?
Mag-kiss po, pero yung dalawa nakatingin po. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Okay na po. Yes po.
Ayaw, di kailangan naman ganun eh.
Salamat po.
Yan po. Yung dalawa po sa kabila. One, two, three.
Kiss din na.
One more. Kiss na po ulit.
Nakakadami.
Yes
Si
po.
Amon!
For every group shot.
Practice.
Ano po? Take some.
Hindi, kayo. Nat, come here. You need to take a picture and say, smile to the camera, okay? Ninong. You say, you put your hands down and then smile to the camera, okay? Go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Look at the camera.
Okay, kiss na po ulit.
Natin
Ano po ito?
Nakadali ka na.
Unlimited funding.
Nat, you like
Sige po, tingin po yung dalawa dito.
Tingin daw tayo.
Yung dalawa po sa gilid, dito po nakakita.
Arden?
One more.
Nati ka.
Kiss.
Sabi niya? Sabi niya?
Ay, gusto din pala niya.
Lahat po ba?
Kaya po ba?
Kaya po ba?
Okay na po sila. Yung dalawa.
Ay,
Dito po.
uy, ikaw sabi ko isabay mo. Sumama ka, JM.
Sama ko ulit.
Wag na.
Kayo na.
Okay. Kasi kayo na. Ay, sorry.
Ikaw na ano na picture. Nat.
Kiss ulit. Kiss ulit.
1, 2, 3.
Pasa mo rin pa yun.
Okay, kiss po. Mag-dalawa.
We're ready.
Mag-practice.
Lahat.
Mami, isa pa po. Wala po nakakiss.
Ay, wala daw na-capture. Kasi dapat daw magkikita.
Practice kayo dyan, dali.
Sige po. 1, 2, 3. Okay po yung kiss na po. Mami, ikaw ano kaya? Ano ka kay sir?
Ako
Sige
magagano.
po. Sige po. Okay, kiss na po. Dalawang po.
Seryoso nga, seryoso yan, seryoso.
Dali na.
Sige po. Kahit ano lang po, hindi nakatigas. Sige po.
Kinikilig na ba yan?
Okay, lahat na po. Lahat po.
Lahat daw.
Lahat daw.
Parang gusto rin ng ninong ganun din. Parang gusto rin ng ninong. Ako sa Sarneto eh. So, parang dalawa din. Nati ka kami. Sa gitna niyo. Oo nga.
Talaga pinagdidiinan
Ma,
nila.
sabi ka ma. Mami. Nat, do you take a picture again? You're saying smile. Dapat dito ka.
Ba't yung puti na visualize?
Si Nat Nat.
Mawawala na si Nat isang malaking
Ay, nagtatago sa akin. Dito nga.
Anjay, may dalawang baso lang pwede.
Ano kami?
Team ka na may team. Nakikita naman ako dito. Yan.
Dito po, medyo compress lang po konti para masasya. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ay, kasama po si...
May sarili.
Di na sarili mo.
Doon ka
Okay po.
Huwag mo, don't put your...
Compress po. Sige po, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, compress po.
Sing-sing pagitan.
Kayo ma'am, nakakiss po kayo.
Kiss again, another one.
Tapos kayo po nakatingin po
Nakakiss
kayo
kami?
sa ako.
Sa camera muna yan.
Okay, tingin na po.
Makikisyoso.
Sabay-sabay magsabi ng sana all. Okay, jump shot.
Jump shot?
Upod na.
Sige, try mo yung jump shot, Jessie. All
Picture ng kami po dalawa.
Nakalipa ko. 1 week. Sa akin.
Pati yung shades ko na
Sa akin.
1, 2, 3, go.
Jonah and Olgu, congratulations! God bless! Love you!
Congrats, ate. Love you.
Hello, Olgo and Jonah. Congratulations. We are grateful to witness your wedding. God bless. Okay na. Hi, Nelly and Olgo. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Jonah and Olgu.
Best wish. Chess. Congratulations. Congratulations, Olgu and Jonah. We love you. God bless. Finally. Finally, One, two. Hi, Nadine and Olgu. Congratulations. Best wishes.
Ne, congrats na sana sa surprise na wedding. Sana wag mong kalimutan yung dalawang kapatid at sana makatapos si Wilson sa kanyang pag-aaral.
Ano po yung pinaka-best memories ninyo kay
Actually, marami kaming best memory kasi since childhood, friend na kami. So, siguro masasabi ko yung best memory is pag namumundok kami. Ayun.
Saan ang buntok ko?
First bundok namin is, ano yun? Mount Batulao. And then Mount Magiling. And then, hindi ko na maalala.
Ano yung sa tingin mo, ma'am, na nakakatawang nagawa ni ma'am before?
Hindi ko maalala. Wait lang po. Wala akong maalala nakakatawa eh.
Paano niyo nakilala si ma'am?
Since bata pa kami, so childhood friend ko talaga siya, kapitbahay. And then, ayun, nagsimula yung friendship namin nung kinder. Kasi may classmate na kami na. And then, ayun, nagtuloy-tuloy until hanggang ngayon.
Nag-away na ba kayo ni ma'am?
Yeah. So, nag-away kami grade 6. And then, alam ko na kung ano pinaka-memorable sa akin. No 4th year high school. Kasi doon kami naging okay. Doon kami, kasi akala ko hindi na kami magiging okay since away namin nung grade 6. And then, eventually, nung 4th year high school kami, doon kami nagkapatid. Doon kami naging okay. And then, mas naging close kami. Ayun.
So, ano yung mga nakakwento ni ma'am before bago sila magkakilala ni sir?
Actually, sabihin na natin na hindi siya swerte sa love life noon. So, nakita ko kung paano siya na-hurt, nasaktan, ganon. And then, ayun, nakita ko kung paano siya, kung paano gaano siya ka-strong na babae. So, until na kilala niya si Olgu, which is her husband na, and then, bumalik yung spark niya. Ayun.
Advice na lang, ma'am.
Ha?
Advice.
Sana kayo na talaga, kayo na talaga eh. So, yun, happy marriage. And then, bigyan mo na agad kami ng ng inaanak. Ayun lang po. Thank you.
So, I'm Duday, Ate Duday, kung paano niya po ako tawagin. And paano po kami nagkakilala, yung mama ko po and mama niya is besties din. So, ayun. So, kaya po kami nagkakilala and since kinder din po, doon po nag-start yung friendship namin.
Ano yung pinaka-best core memory mo?
Ang pinaka-best core memory, kung hindi ko talaga nakakalimutan is yung nagsabunutan po kami sa likod ng room nung grade 3 kami. And then yung pinaka-nakakatawa pa is pinaumagahan, parehas po namin sinasabi na masakit po pala sa ulo makipagsabunutan. So ayun.
Ano dahilan ng ma'am? Ba't kayo nagsasabunutan?
Wala lang, trip lang. Di ko na maalala kung ano yung dahilan bakit kami nagsabunutan that time. Pero hindi naman tumagal yung hindi namin pagkakaintindihan. Naging okay din naman kami.
So, anong masasabi mo sa newly wed?
Okay, so masasabi ko lang is wish ko sana panghabang buhay na yung pagmamahalan niyo ni Olgu and God bless for both of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kay Jonah na lang po.
So, tayo. Ayan, ma'am. Bali, kako-teacher niyo po si ano po yung pinaka-memorable yung kasama si ma'am?
Hi, Jonah. Kanina, nag-flashback lahat sa akin yung mga pinagsamahan natin, lahat ng struggles na shinare natin together, and seeing you with those smiles, you deserve it. Kaya genuinely, I am so happy talaga na natagpuan mo na yung right one for you. Kumbaga, good karma. No, despite all the challenges you experienced before, ito na yun. So, isa ako sa maswerteng naka-witness ng wedding nyo, Olgu and Jonah. I'm so happy. Congratulations.
Last na ma'am, advice na lang po sa newly wed.
Okay, so, syempre advice, wala akong karapatang mag-advise kasi siya talaga yung source of wisdom namin. So, mag-iingat ka palagi. Always remember, nandito lang ako. Nandito lang kami palagi. Aalalay at susuportahan ka kahit saan. I trust you. Alam mo lahat ng ginagawa mo sa life. So, good luck and God bless. Thank you po.
Okay.
Hi Jonah, 2022 nung unang meet natin, November 2022. At unang pagkakataon din na nag-click tayo na hindi malaman dahil lang sa kape, maraming gana, pero yung closeness parang bigla na lamang din. And yun din yung time na na-surprise ka rin namin, hindi mo sinasabi sa amin yung birthday mo. At hindi ka mahilig sa mga matatamis na bagay, kaya humanap kami ng mayroong gumagawa ng cake na hindi ganun katamisan. And ang favorite color mo na purple, yun din naman yung naging theme ng cake. And you really don't know na meron kaming pa-surprise kasi sinusurprise mo rin kami na hindi sabihin sa amin yung birthday mo. And then, that time, kahit very simple surprise, simple celebration, kahit sa kalagitnaan ng klase, we were very happy. And nakita ko na medyo naiyak ka din doon sa surprise na yun. And I'm really happy. And I thank God na isa ka sa nakilala ko nung unang pagkakataon din na nakapasok ako sa DepEd. And para sa inyo naman ni Olgu, kanina, nasabi ko na ito sa inyo kanina, and ulitin ko na lang ulit para may babalikan ka. Habang nandun tayo sa wedding tawag doon, wedding place ninyo, umiiyak na ako kasi I was praying and praising God kung gaano siya naging mabuti sa buhay nyo, sa akin, kayo na bilang mga kaibigan ko, kung paano ko rin kayo pinagpe-pray na magkaroon kayo ng mga taong makakasama ninyo sa buhay, mga tao na tutulong din sa inyo, mga tao na makakasama mo for life kasi hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon ay makakasama mo kaming mga kaibigan mo. And I praise God kasi ibinigay niya si Olgu na makakasama mo. And for Olgu, I know na mahal mo si Jonah and naway manatili ang pagmamahal na iyon. Yung pag-unawa, alam mo na medyo stubborn si Jonah, but thank you for loving her. Alam ko rin na magkaiba kayo ng culture and thank you kasi na kinoconsider mo, ganyan din inaabot mo rin, nagtatagpo kayo sa gitna at kung saan man kayo maparoon, mag-iingat palagi at iyak ako din. At sana maging, of course, I'm praying to God na maging masaya kayo sa pagbuo din ng family. So, ayun lang. Thank you and God bless.
Hi, Chona and Olgu. Congratulations on your wedding. So, isa siguro sa pinakang masaya sa napakadaming moment na pinagsamahan natin is yung tayo ay nagkakape, yung mga random moments na pinag-uusapan natin kung gaano kasaya kahirap yung buhay ng bawat isa. So, thank you sa mga advice na ibinibigay mo sa amin. At ang wish ko sa inyong dalawa is sana lagi kayong mag-uusap, lalong-lalo na yung mga problema. Hindi problema ang distansya as long as good ang communication ninyo. So, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. I'm happy for you guys.
Hi Jo, best memories together with you. Halos lahat naman, everyday is best memory, no? So, malungkot man yan o masaya. So, for me, that is memories na maitatago. Huwag kang magbabago, no? Because you are the source of words of wisdom namin, no? Marami kang naituro sa amin bilang mga kapatid mo na rin, lalo na sa akin. Marami kang life lessons na naituro sa akin. Minsan hindi ko nagagawa, pero iba yung impact nung nakilala ko kayo. No? So, alam namin na darating yung time na maghihiwa-hiwalay tayo, pero lagi kang mag-iingat at talagang mo yung kalusugan. So, yun.
Ano, game na? Kay Olgu at saka kay Jonah, congratulations sa inyong for your wedding. Actually, hindi ko naman masyado nakakasama pa si Jonah. Naging panahon lang. Pero, ayaw ko lang sa kanya yan. For her marriage to last, ngayon, subok na magpasakop tayo sa ating huwag kontrahin at sabi nga ng aking partner, si Leia, laging nasa middle ground para hindi kayo sana magtagal at sana maging masaya sila. Yun lang po, salamat.
Okay na dyan. Hi, Ma'am Jo. Finally, you're married now, and I am the first person to be happy para sa'yo. I know, and you know that we've been through a lot talaga. Naging professor kita, naging nanay mo ko, naging ate mo ko, and maraming bagay nangyari, and isa ka sa blessings na dumaan sa buhay ko. Sana maging masaya ka. Yun lang talaga ang wish ko for you. And alam ko na hindi mo naranasan ang lahat ng yan before. Pero ngayon, I'm so happy that you found the one. And I know that you're in the right person. Alam ko na mamahalin ka niya, and you know, for the first time in my life, yung na-relief ako. I feel the relief na yung alam ko na you're in the right person na talaga. And I wish na kahit anong mangyari, alam ko na marami pang mga darating na yung mga siguro mga ano ba tawag dito? Yung mga ano ba tawag na wala siguro marami pang mga dadating sa buhay niya na mga adjustments at kailangan niyo pang kilalanin ng bawat isa. Pero masasabi ko lang, piliin niyo yung isa't isa. Always choose each other. Kahit ano pa yan. Yun lang naman yata talaga ang key para maging successful yun lang talaga. And I love you so much. You know that kung anong makakapagpasaya sa'yo, yun din ang makakapagpasaya sa akin. Nandito lang ako palagi for you. We love you so much.
Smile, please. Kamo nga pala.
Ma'am, dito lang po. Sala po yun? Oo. Kaya naman ganun po tayo ng post na bless lang po.
Bless ka na! No, makakanda ko na!
Bebli siya sa akin. Ano laki na?
Parang bas-bas lang po.
Nakaganon?
Ako, parang hindi ka mismo mag-bless po. Parang nakakita lang po yung
Nakaganon.
o kaya gano'n lang po. Parang i-bless nila ako.
Sige. Ang laki ng mag-bless kasi.
Isa lang ba? Sama ako?
Ang dami wala pa naman po yung pag-picture niya. Okay lang po. Ulitin natin yung sarili. Kaya ano lang po na, emphasize lang po natin sa picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3, Tama po.
Hindi clear.
What happened to your...
He became Benedict, not Bernard.
Yeah!
Dito ka! Here.
Basically,
Okay. This one. This one. Heart. The other one. The other one. Dito pa. Can you do this one? Other one. This one. This one. And then we bend a little bit. A little bit more.
Ang hirap umikot pag
Yung balon, mapuputok na.
This one. It's open. Mrs. Akman. Do you have Namuwi.
Ay, talaga siya, paborito niya talaga kay Mami.
Ganyan ka naman. Hello po. Nasaan na sila? Dito si airplane. Naway ako na earlier. I was right. Of course. It's like, what is this last?
Bumaba ka visit ka. Akala ko ano yung
While sitting in the grass of the house. That's what I am thinking. That's why I'm crazy.
Gusto pa wait ka sila.
Feels like I'm her parent. It's the one who raised the boat.
The long lost sister of John. Ay, ito ay passionate sa mamata. What is the meaning of
Well, it means everything. It's also peace, victory, and also it is used by various organizations.
Yes, also something that
It's a crime actually in every
Universal peace sign. Other term, other side.
Mami, sa gitna.
Mami!
Naghati ng tayo. Ay, nakatebes. Sabi naman.
Naka si Jella. Nasaan si Jella?
CR po.
Jella! Jella!
Wala. Asan?
Isa siya. Kasama si Naknak. Tagal pa siguro yun. Jella! Jella!
Ako na tawagin. Si Chela yun.
Baka kaya malawak siya.
Ay, siya yun. Tapos, madam. Ano? Siya sa mga ano din niya? Ikaw lang kasi ang kilala namin. Sorry.
Yun na yung
Saan kayo ng
Not that.
Are you scared? Sit
picture na,
here.
please.
Dad, sit here.
Kaya hindi ko sila pwede pag-iwalay.
Hindi rin mo ba maghiwalay?
Yan, upo ka na. Here. Here ka yan. Yan na, dyan na.
1, 2, 3.
Smile. Smile to the camera. Not smile to the camera. Oh, kami ba?
Well, lamig ako may mubi.
Okay lang po kayo. Bakit ka lang? Ano ba? Hindi ma'am, alam mo na. Yung set niyo muna po. Eto, hawak ka lang dito sa